I don't like the way my face looks when I'm clean shaven. I'm a squishy fat little baby boy. But when I got a beard, I'm a man.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're with Cory and we're going to be doing a beard Q&A. So let's hop right into it. Alright, starting with our first question from one of our group members. It is, what is the process for straightening your beard?
So, a lot of people think I do straighten my beard when I actually don't. I do subtle things here and there to help it look like I straighten it. I know some men will use flatteners, which I say is not a good thing to do. Too much heat for your beard is bad. Some guys will use the typical comb and a blow dryer, and they'll kind of keep it at a distance and kind of help and do that. But again, you want to refrain from too much heat on your beard. But really, all I do is, one, growing a long beard helps give the illusion that I have straighter hair. The weight of it, gravity doing its own work really helps. And then just having a comb with me wherever I go and constantly combing it makes it look and feel like it. And then adding and using our products helps maintain it looking straighter.
Alright, heading into the second question by another one of our group members is, what do you use to wash your beard?
I use one of my favorite beard shampoos ever that we happen to make and sell right here. That is our shampoo bars made with tea tree oil and argan oil. I'm not the biggest fan of tea tree fragrance per se. It's not bad, but I like the properties the tea tree oil has, healing properties for the hair, and I just love the way my beard feels after a good shower with this shampoo.
Yeah. Okay. The next question is, what issues do you run into with your beard?
The biggest issue that I run into, that probably almost every guy with a beard runs into, is loose hairs falling out. And you can be the best in beard care and beard routine and just do it to a T. You're still going to get hairs falling out. You just can't stop it. But you can eliminate how much or prevent a lot from falling out. So that's something that always happens. It tends to happen more when combing the beard or shaping the beard. Throughout the day, I don't really have hairs falling out or anything.
Alright, heading into the next question, what is your beard care routine?
So, in the morning, I usually shower at night, and if I'm washing my beard, which I only wash every 3 to 4 days, I'll do that at night. In the morning, I wake up, I brush my teeth first because I tend to get some, toothpaste a little here and there. So I do that first, rinse it. After rinsing my mouth, I'll completely soak my beard. I'll get it wet because I'll have morning bed. The hair will be up one way. And making it wet makes my beard more malleable and easier to cooperate with. Then I start with my beard oil, get it into the fingertips. I get all over into the beard, into the mustache, everywhere. If I have a little bit left over, I might use it on my head or elsewhere, and then kind of rub it on the beard. Then I jump onto the beard balm, get the proper amount I need, rub it into the hands, and then that's where I start really playing and working with the beard. I'll use my fingers like a comb, and I'll start combing through my beard. And once it's all in there, then I go back to my brush, and I have a wide tooth brush that or comb, not a brush, a comb. I'm sorry.
They have those?
a wide tooth comb, and then I'll start combing the beard. And once I kind of really fluff it out, then I use my smaller comb, and then I'll get more precise about it. And once it's fully combed out nice, then I shape it again, and I'm done.
Question is, what do you like most about your beard?
That it is a beard. It's a manly thing. As a kid, I've always liked beards. I've grown around men who've had beards. I've always liked fictional characters with beards. I don't know, there's something manly about beards, and I like it, and I like that lumberjack look. I enjoy that, so I like that. During the winter, it keeps this part of my body cool. During the summer, big myth, everyone thinks having a big beard is really hot, but it actually cools me down when I'm out in the sun. And then it's just a nice accessory for the face. Really, that's what beards are, is an accessory for the face, and it's nice.
Alrighty, heading into the next question. How long have you had your beard?
I've had this beard a little over 5 years now. I need to figure out the exact math, but somewhere around 5 years.
Yeah.
A lot of people will also ask, how long did it take to get to this length? This is about 2 years length, but I trim every now and then. But I've had it for a good 5 years now, I'd say.
Into the next question, and this one is also by one of our group members. Is it oil, balm, or both, and why?
What's of most importance?
Or do you use oil, balm, or both, and then why?
Okay. So I go through this routine with everyone I talk to beard products about. I use both. But one I do think is more important than the other, and that's beard oil. The reason for that is all humans, male, female, young and old, we produce natural oils. And those natural oils hydrate our skin.
Yeah.
But you only provide, your body only produces so much.
Yeah.
And when guys start growing facial hair, their facial hair tends to hog up all those natural oils. So then your skin isn't getting all the oils that it needs.
Yeah.
So that's where the beard oil comes into play. Really, the beard oil is for the skin. But if you take care of the skin, the hair that grows in that area will grow in healthier. So I tell all guys, whether they have a big beard, a small beard, a goatee, a mustache, big mutton chops, whatever the facial hair is, use beard oil to maintain a healthy beard as it grows. And it'll grow thicker, less likely for split ends, and less likely to fall out. But I do use beard balm too. Beard balm I use more when I'm going out and about and I want to make my beard look good. That is for the beard, shaping the beard, and then as well deep conditioning the beard. But the beard oil is a must no matter what. Even if I'm lazy, staying at home all day as a complete slob with no one to impress, I still put in beard oil.
Yeah, and it gives off that nice fragrance too.
And you get that nice fragrance, for yourself, for your gal, for others. It's just nice.
Well, that is all the questions that we have for Cory today. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, as well as follow us on social media. See you guys soon. Thank you.